Here's a departure from my usual set of video subjects. Have a look at this. This is my door. You probably see this here, and you're probably wondering what that is. The reason for its existence is simple. This works fine. Oops. This does not. So, we are going to replace with this. So, looks simple enough. I probably don't have to replace the striker assembly, but I'm going to anyway. So, I'll go ahead and open this and figure out what I'm doing here. Okay, there's the old one out. There's the old striker assembly versus the new one, which you can see is completely different. So, I can't reuse the existing striker, so I'm going to have to use the new one, and I'm going to have to do some modifications to that. Some sanctioned modifications. It does talk about it in the instructions. But here is the what's left. And you can see that the years of use have worn that right down. So, yeah, pretty much junk. And you can see that yeah, these have definitely seen better days anyways. So, time for your replacement. Let me see if I can get this new striker assembly installed. Okay, there is the striker assembly. That was surprisingly easy. Of course, being the dork I am, I probably put it in there backwards, but I don't know if it really matters. So now I just gotta put the actual knobs on. Okay, well, there it is. It's an excruciating process. But, you know, I think all doorknobs are like that. I don't think there's anybody in the world who's like, gee, I love installing doorknobs. Anyway. So, we're not quite out of the woods. I have to find it. Still have to install this stupid thing. Which I think goes on like this. I'll have to figure it out. I'll probably put it on there backwards, which will be entertaining to try and figure out. Alright.
You have no pen, you have to.
Seems to be good. A little bit of a tight fit. You can tell. I've had it for like 3 seconds and it's already scratching the paint off, but there's not much I can do about that. So, it works. I have a door that I can actually use. So, that's pretty much it for that. Not a how-to video, but I'm sure people figured that out already. If you can't follow the instructions on how to install a doorknob, there's not much else I can really help you with. So, the trick to the trade is to get it started by hand. It's still a little difficult, but it's easy enough to get started by hand. Or it's doable to get started by hand. And then you can use the screwdriver to do the rest. Otherwise what happens is the screws go in crooked and you think you're actually putting it in place and you're not, and then it falls apart and you get mad. So, there you go. I think it fits the decor pretty nicely. It fits the wall paint. Maybe not so much the carpet, which, yes, is in terrible condition. You don't need to comment about that. I already know. So, but yeah, there's your doorknob install video. You want something that's different from a computer? There you go.